I welcome you all to my vocabulary session 1. Today we are going to learn 20 new words which may come in your CLAT 2020 examination. First word is plethora. What is the meaning of plethora? Plethora is an excess, more. Accolade. What is the meaning of accolade? Accolade means when a person receives a tribute, honor, praise, or simply we say an award for his work. Third word, bigot. Now please don't get confused this word with another word B-E-G-E-T, bigot, because that bigot is to give birth, and here the word bigot is narrow-minded person. You know what is a narrow-minded person? Prejudiced person without knowledge. Fourth word, tedium. What is tedium? When I say I am tedious, that means monotonous. I'm tiresome, bored. Next word, tangible. There are two words, tangible, intangible. The word here given, tangible means which is physically present, can be touched, and intangible opposite to that. Next word, tardy. What is the meaning of tardy? Slow, late, overdue, and delayed. Counterfeit. The meaning of it is fake, false, or a legal word for it is forgery. Abstruse, difficult to understand. The meaning of word obscure is unclear, okay, which is not discovered, undiscovered. Absolution, forgiveness, pardon, release, okay, to get solution and we forgive a person. This way you can remember. Blatant, obvious. If we say, isn't it obvious? We can use this word. Isn't it blatant? Next word, abhor. I abhor you means I hate you. Hate. And franchise, giving voting right. What is the meaning of hamper? Hinder, obstruct. To create difficulty or to stop. The meaning of word headstrong, stubborn, willful. Next word, tangent, going off main subject. So if I'm giving you a topic of law and you are telling all of the things which are unrelated to law, that means you are going off the main subject. Replete, full. Next word, reprehensible. What is reprehensible? Shameful, very bad. If I say reprehensible act, that means a shameful act, a shameful act. Credible, believable. Now you can remember this word because there are two words. When we say incredible performance, that means unbelievable. Incredible, believable. Alacrity, eagerness, enthusiasm, and quickness. Last word, tranquil. Tranquil, I'll give an example of it. If I say the home turned tranquil or became tranquil after the kids went out to play. That means the house became peaceful after the kids went out to play. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So we have decided to provide you 10 such more sessions for your good preparation in vocabulary. Thank you.